traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, December 12th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So not really a whole lot of price action on the euro today. We had euro interest rate today, which did cause it to go up and down, kind of flux around a little bit. It's definitely still no break or structure to the upside, so the trend is down. Like I've been saying for the last couple of days, I still suspect that this is an ABC correction right here, and we do have a little bit of a gap down here that is still unfilled. So I'm definitely still very bearish, especially if it doesn't break structure to the upside. If it continues to make lower lows, lower highs, then I'm definitely going to hold on to my shorts, and I'm definitely going to possibly even add to my shorts. Now, the trend is down. It could possibly go down and make a new low. So until we get some sort of a break and structure to the upside, definitely very bearish. Definitely looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.